So this is a 390 Duke. Can you give her a go?
Oh, we can do with the GoPro and everything.
Yeah, I got the GoPro. Ready to go.
With that crap, Vic, you're lucky.
Yeah, very lucky. Thank you. So it's a single cylinder 390 cc, or actually technically 372 cc. It's so light compared to my bike. Already I can see how easy it is to ride. Okay, staggered formation, guys. Alright. So we got the gear indicator. Speed dash. Oh gosh. It doesn't catch as fast as my street triple. The friction point. Oh, shift. Little red light says shift. Okay. So you got your RPMs, speed, odometer, average, kilometers an hour, heat, fuel. I got the acro pipe. For touching, I am very tiptoes on both sides, which is okay by me. Like I always say, if you're a new rider, I understand. You want to have more footing on both sides, and it's completely understandable. You still have to get more practice and experience on how to ride to get more confidence as a new rider, so I completely understand. But most people are taller than I am. I mean, I'm 5 feet tall, 28.5 inseam. You know, when these bikes were first introduced to North America just this year, as you can see from my other video from the Calgary Motorcycle Show, when I first saw these bikes, how excited I was that they finally brought the 390s to North America. Because when I was looking for the next bike from my 250 Ninja, there wasn't too many options in the mid-size range besides the typical Suzuki GSX-R or Yamaha R6 or... Oh, you serious? You didn't get a turning light? Okay. Formation is not right behind the guy in front of you. So what am I supposed to do? Fuck. Third gear. My mistake. He's too busy looking ahead at this guy here. It's just past 3:30 on Friday afternoon, and as you can see, it's starting to rain. Keep forgetting to swim. This is not a fun demo so far. What a gong show. Oh, fuck. Fuck, what happened? Oh my goodness, I don't even know what happened. That was not good. I don't know what happened. I'll have to replay that and see. I think I stalled the bike. The friction zone is just different on this bike. Shit, that was not fun. Really glad that we were stuck in traffic and didn't get rear-ended here. So proportion-wise, to someone small like me, this bike fits really well. It's really easy to ride, besides the smaller point. If it were my bike, I might adjust the clutch to be closer. Right now the clutch is really far away from my fingertips, so I gotta reach really far out with my little hands. Let's see where after downshifting. This guy should he should be on the side of the lead rider, not right behind him. Don't know what he thinks standard condition is. Kind of embarrassing to have stalled the bike, but I guess that's what we're here for, so test ride it. Man, traffic sucks! So yeah, if I was thinking of a first bike, this would be actually a really fun first bike to have. You got 372cc, so that's a lot of power. Enough power for city riding and commuting, right? Actually, I'm following a 390 Little Duke too, so you guys can check out the ride in front of me here. The fender is something that I'd prefer not to have. If it were my bike, I'd probably get the fender kit. But then you can get a ticket, because that's illegal. You got everybody? Just this traffic sucks. The ride is good. Traffic sucks. So, I guess the responsiveness of the power is a little slower than what I'm used to. So, it's not as quick as the street triple. You know, from what I'm referencing from, the street triple, my current motorcycle, for those who are new to my channel. The street triple is really quick for response, for immediate acceleration, but this one is a little slower, very comfortable, nice easy ride actually. Not stressful like my MV Augusta ride, if you want to reference that one, of my last demo. That was pretty stressful for me. Great experience, loved it. Yeah, holy crap, really described that one for me. This one is I wish we had no traffic. I can actually experience this bike, but hopefully when we get out of this part of the road, we can get a little more open road, and I can give you guys a better assessment. So the stock pipe on the 390 is just under the foot peg there. You can't even see it. Whereas the pipe on my bike, with the Acra pipe, it sticks out. So KTM Canada is doing a national tour for their demo days, and they're hitting up 30 dealerships across the country. This is, I think, their 10th spot. They came from Edmonton just recently, and they're heading out east. I just want to go. I don't want to stop. So far, this has not been a great demo route. I'm not sure what we expect to get on 3:30 on a Friday afternoon, but just, I don't know. And here in Canada, we are not allowed to split lanes. I had a question yesterday from from a reader or a viewer. You guys not reading me or watching me. I had a question from a viewer, and he had asked, oh, so can you not split lanes in Canada? I guess he must be wondering, why are we always in traffic? Just as if we were a car. Yeah, it makes a lot of sense if we could split lanes. It's very dangerous, I can see. If cars are expecting it though, I don't think it's that dangerous. Bikes that are proportionate for its owners, you know. So if you're a 6'4", 200-pound plus guy, I don't recommend this bike for you. It's not gonna fit you proportionately, nor haul your ass around. Not enough power, in my opinion. Average 45 kilometers an hour. I'm glad the rain's held off pretty good. Just a few droplets. Are you liking it so far? It's okay? I stalled it too, hey?
Yeah, the clutch, sounds really cool.
That one has a weird clutch, I heard, actually.
I'm not using that at all.
It's nice to know I'm not... Yeah. I installed a bike or two.
Yeah. I did on my road test and,
what's that?
I did on my road test. And the guy, I just started up right back up and went on with it. And the guy said because I was so smooth about it that he wasn't even going to...
You can tell. I wish it was louder.
Mine?
No, the bike. I wish the bike was louder.
Yeah, this one's not too bad. It sounds like it's got a nice flowing stop, but still a little bit restricted.
It's nice that the rain held off mostly till the end of our ride. Am I the only one?
What's happening?
Hey. Is that weird? Is that it? Oh, okay. My key goes further in. About halfway. I'll hold it there.
Yeah.
Oh, good idea. Or otherwise, how do you tell?
How do you like the 390?
It was really fun, yeah. It was easy to ride. Light, nice and light.
It's raining, it's pouring.
Hey.
Is it coming?
Yeah, it's coming.
Really?
It's actually really hard to see in there.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, it's really hard.
I don't want to go too fast.
You got a ways.
Keep going?
Yeah, keep going. Okay, I'll go take a look.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good, yeah. Thank you.
Oh, with the little resume stuff?
Cool, very cool.
Good.
Thank you.